Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen recipes. Today in this video I'll be showing Sri Rama Navami specials, that is Panakam, Vadapappu and Chalimidi. For Panakam, in a bowl take 3 cups of water, 1 cup of crushed jaggery, mix it well in the water with a spoon. As you can see, the jaggery is mixed well in the water. Add 1 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, mix it well with a spoon. Panakam is ready. You can serve it in a serving glass. Next for Chalimidi, in a bowl take 1/4 cup of rice flour, 3 to 4 tablespoons of jaggery, add little water and mix the jaggery with the rice flour. Add water or rice flour if required and knead it well. It holds shape and forms a soft dough. Chalimidi is ready. Serve it in a serving bowl. For Vadapappu, take half a cup of moong dal, clean it and soak it in water for about 2 hours. Strain the water and take it in a bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. One-fourth cup of raw mango pieces, chopped coriander leaves, and 1 green chilli chopped finely. Mix them well together with a spoon. And Vadapappu is also ready to serve. Panakam, Vadapappu and Chalimidi are ready. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.